So today I'm going to show you how to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific contact or contacts. Take for example, you don't want your dad or your mom to see what you post on your WhatsApp status. I'm going to show you how you can hide your WhatsApp status from them without you blocking their number on your WhatsApp. So what you just have to do, you have to go to your update session on your WhatsApp. Then you click on these three dots on your top right corner. Then you can see where it is written status privacy. You click on it. So you can see currently in my own, I've actually blocked about 66. So you see my contacts, you see my contact express, you see only share with. So when you click on my contact, it means that everyone on your contacts can see it. But the second option where it says my contact except, it means that everyone on your contact can see it, but those people you are going to select under this category won't be able to see it. So currently on my, I've selected about 66 people. So what you just have to do, you just have to click on that. Yeah, it comes up. You can see these are the numbers I've blocked from seeing my contact. So take from seeing my WhatsApp status, sorry. So take for example, if you have someone you want to add, what you just have to do, you can click on the search sign and type the person's name, or just go down and look for wherever the person is. So let me try and choose this Mr. DDG. You click on it. After clicking on it, you have to click this mark sign that is in the green box so that it registers it. So before I show you 66, by the time I'm going to click this green sign, it's going to show me 67 people. So as you can see, I clicked on that green sign. It's processing. Then you can see 67 excellent. It means that whenever I upload on my status, everyone on my contacts will be able to see except these 67 people. So that's how to hide your WhatsApp status from anybody from your contacts. Thank you very much.